I'm Don Pezet, co-founder of ITProTV, and I haven't always been in IT. In fact, when I got out of high school, I had decided I wanted to become an attorney, and, well, college was expensive. My main career while I was in college was actually selling shoes. I was like the Al Bundy of non-IT people. But at the same time, I had this passion for computers. It was my hobby. I was building computers and selling them on the side to pay for my classes. And it wasn't until later in the program that I actually changed my mind. I said, you know, I really enjoy working on computers. This is where my passion is. Why would I want to be a lawyer? And so I decided to take a chance and step into the world of IT. I had done some research on jobs that were out there, and they all seemed to require the A+ certification. So I started studying on my own, trying to learn enough to go and take that exam. Once I got that certification, I got my first IT job. And it wasn't a glorious one. I was actually doing warranty repair for Packard Bell computers. Now, if you remember those computers, I was very busy. I was doing a lot of changing out of parts and so on, but while I did that, I was learning my next technology. I got interested in networking and started learning about that. And I was really fortunate a few years later, after being in the field, after traveling to all these different places and learning all these different technologies, that I got the chance to start teaching. I taught for over a decade before transitioning into what you have over here at ITProTV now, where we create video content to help you all learn way better than the opportunity that we had when we got started. And that's how I got started on my IT journey.
Are you ready to start your IT journey? Then head over to itpro.tv/personal to take the first step with a 7-day free trial. And be sure to subscribe to the ITProTV channel to see more origin stories from the ITProTV team.